Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to extract files from the Windows 11. So first of all, of course, all you need to do is just to have an extracted file, or sorry, a zip file or a .rar file on your PC. So of course, let me just get this here and let's just went into my download. And as you can see here, I have a zip file here and a zip file here and zip file here. So how can we actually extract this file? So of course, for you would like to go and download like a zip file before, and of course there is also this type of zip files. So as you can see, it's zipped. And of course, if you want to unzip or to extract the files, just right click on add any file you would like to extract. Of course, if you have a WinRAR application, that will actually make it very easier, because you would like to go into this WinRAR option, and as you can see, you can open with WinRAR if you want. You can extract the files. You can extract the files here in the same folder, which is going to be the download folder, or you can extract to a folder that you want to extract into it. So of course you can extract to, let's say as an example, documents. You can just go here and click at extract to, and of course, sorry, just choose wherever you want to extract into it. So of course extract files works the same. You can just choose wherever you want to extract, as we said, like documents, as we said. So you can just hit the OK button, you will be good to go, and it will be extracted. But of course, if you want to extract it just here on your the same file, you can just click add extract here, and as you can see, it will be extracted. You can even open it with WinRAR, and as you can see, once it's opened, let me just drag it here. You can actually just extract whatever you want. If you want like to extract just this, you can just copy it and paste it wherever you want, and you will be good to go. And of course, now we'll just wait until this extracts it, and we'll be actually good to go. So let me just just wait until it extracts it fully, and it will be actually good to go. So it will be done right now. As you can see, I'm gonna find it here, and that's gonna be our file. So that is gonna be it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.